Hello, everyone. I'm here to talk about two amazing stories from two amazing moms who had some amazing blizzard babies. The first one is about a 28-year-old named Patricia Strickland, and she was 35 weeks pregnant, and she was just sitting around with a friend joking about what would happen if she went into labor during this northeast storm. And lo and behold, 1 hour later, she was crawling around on all fours, having contractions every 20 minutes, until the ambulance arrived at her home in Worcester, Massachusetts. So got all her well wishes from her family, and she got on the ambulance alone. She says she was afraid because she has three other children and she's a homemaker. And as soon as she got on the ambulance, her water broke, and she gave birth to a beautiful little boy named Gabriel. Okay, the ambulance continued to the hospital, and as soon as they got to the hospital, they rushed her to the emergency room, and she gave birth to another baby, a baby girl named Aaliyah. Wow, beautiful. Two fraternal twins, blizzard babies. First thing she did was give a call to her husband, or the baby's father, and let him know that the babies were in the world. And that's amazing, don't you think so? Okay. And the second story. Now, meanwhile, in Nantucket, Massachusetts, Danielle Smith went into labor at the height of the storm, because that was just as the power went out. When ABC News wanted to interview her, she wasn't up to talking, but instead she gave birth to baby Caden Moore at 3:35 a.m. at the Nantucket Cottage Hospital. Looks like Caden was born at the height of the blizzard, just after the island had lost all its power, and it forced the hospital to rely on its generator for power. Wow, amazing. So that was another blizzard baby. An amazing blizzard baby was born. His name is Caden Moore. So those are my two amazing blizzard baby stories. I hope you enjoyed them. I will leave the link if you want to see the whole article. So thanks for viewing, and please subscribe.